position control, we do the circuit as exercise 2. We do exactly the same as the circuit. We have to be careful that when we connect the motor, the left side will be the ground and the right side will be the power. Here the motor will be left side. This one is the left side will be the ground, and right side will be the power. Now the circuit is like that. From the potentiometer we take as a reference, because this will be the adjusting potentiometer for position adjusting, and then going to differential, and the other input of the differential is coming from the potential from the servo motor, and output of the differential going to the amplifier to act as like the gain, and then from output going to summing amplifier to be able to add the other integral and differential control, and then the output to power amplifier, then from power amplifier to the motor. And now what will happen that when we adjust the position, required position, the motor has to act to go to the desired position. And then if we set, like for example in the middle, it's 2.7 volt. So when it goes to 2.7 volt here, then we get a result as a 0, then it stops. So the output will be going, our output servo motor will move from 0 to 5 volt, and we are setting, for example, a potentiometer to 2.7. So our 0 position will be 2.7. So when it moves, the servo motor will moves. Once it reach 2.7, it start at 2.7 and then it stop. And then when you go to the 5 volt, so it is 2.7 volt. And when you go to 0 position of the servo motor, then it's minus 2.7 volts. So it has to go in both directions. So if you go, for example, to 75%, or let's go first to 25% of position 25%, then we have to see the potentiometer going on one direction. This is 25%, and slowly it's moving to 25%. If I go to 75%, it goes the other side, and once it's very close to it, then it's very close to the position, then it comes very slow, which because the difference between the output of the servo motor and potentiometer is becoming very slow, and then movement become slower. And if I go to 25% on the other direction, this one in this direction,